Okay. First we talk about Maharshi Dayananda Saraswati ji. Okay. Anybody had attended my classes, previous classes? Shravani ji, you have chart, no? You have prepared chart, no? Shravani?
No, ma'am, I'm in bus now, so I don't have now.
Okay, okay. Swami Dayanand Saraswati ji. His nickname, childhood name was मूल शंकर. बचपन का नाम मूल शंकर था. और डेट ऑफ बर्थ 12 February 1824 and at the day of Deepavali. Place टंकारा, गुजरात. इतना चलेगा ना, ये हिंदी में बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, जो समझ में नहीं आएगा वो पूछ लीजिए, वो मैं हिंदी में बताऊंगी. ओके,
ठीक है.
ये इजी है सब. ओके, date of birth 12 February 1824. They will ask date of birth. Okay, and date of death 30th October 1883 and place of death Ajmer, Rajasthan. Father's name कृष्णलाल तिवारी. पिता का नाम कृष्णलाल तिवारी था. माता यशोदाबाई and he was unmarried. So उनको संन्यास दिया स्वामी पूर्णानंद जी ने. स्वामी पूर्णानंद जी ने ही उनका नाम दयानंद सरस्वती रखा. ओके, स्वामी पूर्णानंद changed his name from Mulshankar to Dayanand Saraswati. Okay, this is important. You know, Swami Purnananda changed his name Mulshankar to Dayananda Saraswati. And his other guru was Virjananda Dandi, who taught him about dharma and other things, spiritualization, etc. He met Virjananda Dandi in October 1860. Now, type of yoga he followed. He was a Hatha yogi, and he told the yoga he followed that, or he told about yoga is that सजगता का विज्ञान ही योग है. The science of awareness is yoga. This is important. The science of awareness is yoga. हिंदी में सजगता का विज्ञान ही योग है. अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑल ऑफ यू? समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. अभी हिज मोटो वाज, इनका ब्रीद वाक्य, मोटो जो कुछ आप बोलते हैं, ऑब्जेक्टिव, वेदों की ओर चलो, वॉक टुवर्ड्स वेदास. ओके, एंड हिज दर्शन, फिलॉसॉफी, आधुनिक भारतीय दर्शन. एंड हिज बुक was फेमस बुक सत्यार्थ प्रकाश, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बुक, सत्यार्थ प्रकाश. Then he establishments is very important in this biography of yogis. He established Arya Samaj in 10th April 1875. They will ask the date also. In Girgaon, Mumbai. Place Girgaon, Mumbai. And the aim of establishment was welfare of mere creature. प्राणी मात्र के कल्याण के लिए उन्होंने आर्य समाज की स्थापना की. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. उन्होंने बाल विवाह को अवॉइड किया, सती को अवॉइड किया, सती पद्धति. इन दैट प्रीवियस डेज व्हेन हस्बैंड डाइड, then the widow will jump into that fire, that is called sati. He avoided those वो पद्धतियां बंद किए, उन्होंने अवॉइड किए. ओके, बाल विवाह, सती विरोध किया उन्होंने. और बाल विवाह यानी छोटे बच्चियां जब छोटी थी उसी टाइम उनको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता था, उसी टाइम उनका विवाह कर दिया जाता था, वो भी उन्होंने अवॉइड किया। और बेमेल विवाह, दिस वन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बेमेल विवाह भी उन्होंने अवॉइड किया। बेमेल विवाह यानी mismatched marriage, the difference in age and education, any difference, he avoided that one. Mismatched marriage he avoided. Odd marriage, okay, odd one. Now he left his home in 21st year, his 21st year he left his home, and then his another motto was Krunvanto Vishwam Aryam. Krinvanto Vishwam Aryam. This one is important. This is in Sanskrit. Okay, they will ask this one only. Krinvanto Vishwam Aryam. इसका अर्थ हिंदी में है सारे संसार को श्रेष्ठ बनाओ। और दूसरा मोटो कौन था? वेदों की ओर चलो, वॉक टुवर्ड्स वेदास और कम टुवर्ड्स वेदास, बोथ आर सेम। देन इनके 4 पिलर्स, इनके फिलोसॉफी के 4 पिलर्स थे, कर्म सिद्धांत, पुनर्जन्म, संन्यास, ब्रह्मचर्य, इनके फिलोसॉफी के 4 पिलर्स थे। ओके, एंड वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज दैट,
रिपीट मैम।
हाँ, इनके फिलोसॉफी के दर्शन, फिलोसॉफी ने दर्शन के मुख्य 4 स्तंभ कौन से थे वो बता रही हूँ। कर्म सिद्धांत, पुनर्जन्म, संन्यास और ब्रह्मचर्य, ये 4 इनके मेन पिलर्स थे। और वन मोर very very important point is here, he was known as Martin Luther of India. This is very important point, Martin Luther of India. Swami Dayanand ji was called as Martin Luther of India. Martin Luther was a philosopher and social reformer. वो समाज सुधारक थे, जर्मनी के तो थे, वो फिलोसोफर भी थे, प्रोफेसर भी थे और सोशल रिफॉर्मर भी थे। इसलिए स्वामी दयानंद जी ने भी सोशल रिफॉर्मेशन का काम किया, समाज सुधार का काम किया। उन्होंने बाल विवाह, सती पद्धति, ये सब उन्होंने उसके ऊपर उन्होंने काम किया, इसलिए उनको मार्टिन लूथर ऑफ इंडिया ऐसे बोलते थे। ओके, नाउ इनका एजुकेशन नर्मदा नदी के पार व्यास आश्रम में हुआ। व्यास आश्रम में इनका एजुकेशन हुआ, नर्मदा नदी के तीर पर व्यास आश्रम में इनका एजुकेशन हुआ। नो डेथ, द स्टोरी इज देयर अबाउट हिज डेथ। वन नन्ही नेम्ड प्रोस्टेट वाज देयर, एक नन्ही नामक वेश्या थी, वो जो किंग था, जो स्वामी दयानंद जी को शिष्य थे, वो राजस्थान का एक किंग था, वो स्वामी दयानंद जी का शिष्य था। he was disciple of Swami Dayanand ji, and but he was addicted for that prostitute named Nanhi. वो उस वेश्या के पीछे था, और एक दिन उसको पालकी में बिठा के वो ला रहा था, तो स्वामी दयानंद जी को ये अच्छा नहीं लगा, उन्होंने अवॉइड किया वो, और उसको बताया ये अच्छा नहीं ऐसे करके। तो फिर उस किंग ने उसको अवॉइड करने लगा, तो वो ननी नामक वेश्या जो थी, वो उसको गुस्सा आया, तो उन्होंने एक कट रचाया। she gave a poison in milk, and she comprised with his cook, Dayanand ji's cook. The name of that cook was 1 minute, Jagannath. Okay, and the name of that king was Raja Jaswant Singh. Okay, that prostrate gave the piece of glass mixed in milk to Swami Dayanand ji, and the death happened like this. Okay, this is about Maharshi Dayanand Saraswati ji. and he defeated, one more important point is there, he defeated Bihari Lalji in Shastra. Okay, they will ask whom he defeated. He defeated Bihari Lalji in Shastrartha. Okay, now we will read about Swami Vivekananda ji. Childhood name Narendranath Dutt, and
Ma'am, when he died?
date of death. Date of death, 30th October 1883.
Okay.
Now about Swami Vivekananda ji. Childhood name Narendranath and also Vireshwar. His mother used to call him Vireshwar. Date of birth 12th January 1863 at Kolkata. Date of death 4th July 1902. 4th July 1902. And father's name Vishwanath Dutt. Mother's name Bhuvaneshwari Devi. And his grandfather's name was Durga Charan Dutt, and he was scholar of Sanskrit. This is also important. And one Durga Charan Dutt, his grandfather. उनके दादाजी का नाम था दुर्गा चरण दत्त जी, वो संस्कृत के पंडित थे. ओके, they will ask this. One English British officer was there called Romarola. He used to tell that if you want to know about Swami Vivekananda, then if you have to know about India, then you have to know Swami Vivekananda. अगर आप इंडिया के बारे में जानना चाहते हो तो आप स्वामी विवेकानंद जी को जानो, ऐसे वो बोलता था. ओके, you have to remember the name Romarola. Then his guru Ramakrishna Paramhans ji, and he met him. Swami Vivekananda ji met Ramakrishna ji in 1881 at Dakshineshwar Kali Mandir. This is also important. Okay, Guru's name is important, date of meeting, and also the place. He met him at Dakshineshwar Kali Mandir. And type. Yes, any questions?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the date of meeting?
Yes, 1881. This much is given. Okay. Only year is given. Okay. 1881 at Dakshineshwar Kali Mandir. Then types of yoga he followed: Raj Yoga, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga. He worked on that. Raj Yoga, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, and Jnana Yoga. And Darshan or philosophy. Adhunik Vedanta. In Hindi it is Adhunik Vedanta, and in English it is Neo Vedanta or New Vedanta. New Vedanta or Neo Vedanta. And establishments: Ramakrishna Mission at 1st May 1897, Belur Mutt 1887, Ramakrishna Mutt 1899 at Howrah, Bengal. Ramakrishna Mutt.
Repeat.
Ramakrishna Mutt or Ramakrishna Mission at on 1st May 1897, and Belur Mutt 1887, and Ramakrishna Mutt 1899 at Ramakrishna Mutt is at Howrah, Bengal. He attended Vishwadharma Mahasabha, America, Chicago, at 11 September 1893. 1893. And he gave lecture on Hindu Dharma. And his motto was उठो जागो और तब तक नहीं रुको जब तक लक्ष्य प्राप्त न हो. इंग्लिश में कोई बताएगा ये? उठो जागो और तब तक नहीं रुको जब तक yes
Arise.
arise awake yes हाँ and don't stop till the goal is achieved. Okay, correct है ना?
Yes.
Then about his education, he studied in Presidency College, Calcutta, and in 1886 में रामकृष्ण परमहंस जी का निधन हुआ. Then these are more important points. Okay, I am talking. Then in 1886 only he established Varahanagar Mutt. Okay, in establishments you add this one, Varahanagar Mutt. He established Varahanagar Mutt, and from 1890 to 1893 he visited all over India. And in 13 July 1893 he went for Chicago or Chicago. Then now his books, Uttishtati Jagruta, Mere Gurudev, My Master. Okay, Mere Gurudev or My Master, both books are same. It is in Hindi and My Master is in English. It is about Ramakrishna Paramhans ji. Parivrajak, Karma Yog, Vedanta Darshan. If they ask Karma Yog, Raj Yog, Bhakti Yog, these all are Swami Vivekananda's literatures. Okay. And Address on Bhakti Yoga, Lectures from Colombo to Almoda. This book is also important. Many times they asked. Lectures from Colombo to Almoda. Now his main disciples, Ashokananda, Virajananda, Paramananda, Abhayananda. These are not so important. Main things they will ask. Sister Nivedita. This one is important. Sister Nivedita was his main disciple. And her name was, first name was what? Earlier name? Who will tell? Margaret Nobel. Okay, Margaret Nobel. And another one disciple is here, Alasing Perumal. His last lecture in Chicago was on 27 September 1893. And he established, in 1994, he established New Vedanta Society, Vedanta Samiti in New York. Vedanta Samiti in New York. Okay. And one more point is here. Raja Ajit Singh, named, one king was there named Raja Ajit Singh of Khetri. Khetri was the place. Khetri is a place, name of place. The king of Khetri named Raja Ajit Singh was his friend and his disciple also. He suggested him, Swami Vivekananda, to wear that turban, Rajasthani turban and that dress. Okay, this is important. Now, Arvind Ghosh, date of birth 15th August 1872. 15th August 1872 at Kolkata. And date of death 5th December 1950.
Once again, repeat, ma'am. Date of birth.
Date of birth 15th August 1872 at Kolkata. And date of death 5th December 1950. And his wife's name, Pranalini Devi, and father, Krishna Ghanaghosh. And he left India in his 7th year. He went for England for his studies. And his one of his guru was Babaji Devdhar. Babaji Devdhar, who taught him yoga abhyas. Who taught him yoga. The name of that guru was Babaji Devdhar. Then his type of yoga, he followed Purna Yoga, Samagra Yoga. These all names are same. Integral yoga. Okay. Ekatmak Yoga. They will ask of any one name. Purna Yoga, Samagra Yoga, Ekatmaka Yoga, Integral Yoga, Synthesis of Yoga. Okay, these all are related to Sri Arvind Ghosh. Then he established an ashram at Pondicherry, and 4th April 1910, he went into Dhyan Sadhana. In Pondicherry, he established Arvind Ashram, and he got first Nobel Prize in 1940, Nobel Prize for Peace. Okay, and another Nobel Prize 1950 after his death. 2 Nobel Prizes he got, one in 1940 and second one is 1950 after his death. गुजरात के राजा सयाजीराव गायकवाड़ इनके बातों से प्रभावित हुए. सयाजीराव गायकवाड़ was the king of Gujarat. He impressed by Aurobindo, and he gave him the post of vice principal in Baroda College. He met Bhagini Nivedita, that is sister Nivedita, disciple of Swami Vivekananda ji, and Lokmanya Tilak. He met these two people.
मैम सेकंड नोबेल प्राइज किसके लिए मिला था?
मैं बताती हूँ. ओके, और इसमें है, पीपीटी में लिखा है. ओके, मैं बताती हूँ बाद में. ओके, इधर लगी है चार्ट में. फर्स्ट नोबेल प्राइज फॉर पीस. ओके, then he gave a resignation in 1906 for that post, vice principal's post. Then he involved in that भारतीय आंदोलन में उन्होंने सहभाग लिया. After that, he went to jail for 1 year. 1938 में 1930 he went to jail for 1 year, and then he in that jail he has written 3 books: The Life Divine, The one minute. The Secret of Vedas and The Synthesis of Yoga. These are the books written by Aurobindo. And The Future Poetry, also his book. Samagra Yoga, that is integral yoga. And the main point about his yoga is, name of his yoga is integral yoga. Okay. And synthesis of yoga. Now we'll talk about Tirumalai Krishnacharya. Okay. Date of birth 18th November 1888. Okay. 18th November 1888. Place of birth Muchukundapuram, Chitradurga Jilla, district Chitradurga in Karnataka. And date of death 28th February 1989. Date of death. Name of his father.
Repeat, ma'am.
Date of birth 18th November 1888 at Muchukundapuram, Chitradurga district in Karnataka. And date of death 28th February 1989. Okay. And name of his father Tirumalai Tattacharya. Tirumalai Tattacharya. Name of his father. And mother Ranganayaki Amma. Wife's name Namagiri Amma. And his father was his first guru. उनके फादर जो थे तिरुमलाई टट्टाचार्य उनके फर्स्ट गुरु थे जिन्होंने उनको योगा सिखाया पढ़ाया. वो प्रैक्टिकल योगा वो सब वो इनके फर्स्ट गुरु थे तिरुमलाई टट्टाचार्य. दे विल आस्क. एंड दूसरे गुरु थे बाबू भगवान दास. बाबू भगवान दास. And name of his yoga Vinyas Yoga or Vinyas Karma Yoga. Vinyas Yoga or Vinyas Karma Yoga. And he was also known as father of modern yoga. Okay. Adhunik Yog ke Janak. This is very important. Father of modern yoga. And he was the follower of Vaishnavad. And he was also player of Veena. Veena Vadak the wo. Instrument. Veena. And he worked under Krishnaraj Vadiyar IV of Mysore. And he was also an Ayurvedic doctor. They will ask like this, who was a yoga guru and also an Ayurvedic doctor? That is Tirumalai Krishnamacharya. And also he was teacher also. Main text प्रमुख ग्रंथ है योग मकरंद, योगासनಗಳು, योग रहस्य, योगावल्ली. And one British governor was there named Lord Irwin. This is important. Lord Irwin गवर्नर थे वो डायबिटिक पेशेंट थे. उन्होंने तिरुमलाई टी कृष्णमाचार्य जी ने उनको ट्रीट किया, योगा का ट्रीटमेंट दिया तो वो अच्छे हो गए. ही ट्रीटेड हिज डायबिटीज. देन इन 1952 मद्रास में विवेकानंद कॉलेज में प्रोफेसर थे. And his disciples were BKS Iyengar, K. Pattabhi Jois, Indira Devi. Indira Devi was the first lady yoga student. Okay. First lady yoga student. Then Srivatsa Ramaswamy, A.G. Mohan, and T.K. Desikacharya. T.K. Desikacharya was his son. Krishnamacharya's son. T.K. Desikacharya was also his disciple. Now, Swami Shivananda Saraswati. Childhood name Kupuswamy. Childhood name was Kupuswamy. Date of birth 8 September 1887 at Pattamadai, Tamil Nadu. Pattamadai.
Ma'am, say slowly, ma'am.
Okay. Date of birth 8 September 1887. Place of birth पट्टमड़ाई, तमिलनाडु। तमिलनाडु के पट्टमड़ाई में इनका जन्म हुआ। और डेट ऑफ डेथ, मृत्यु 14 जुलाई 1963 एट शिवानंद आश्रम ऋषिकेश। शिवानंद आश्रम ऋषिकेश में इनकी मृत्यु हुई। और इनके पिता का नाम था पीएस वेंगायर एंड मदर पार्वती अम्मा। पार्वती अम्मा इनके माता का नाम था। पिता थे पीएस वेंगैयर। गुरु थे विश्वानंद सरस्वती। विश्वानंद सरस्वती शिवानंद जी के गुरु थे। और उन्होंने ही, शिवानंद सरस्वती जी ने ही कुप्पू स्वामी से इनको शिवानंद सरस्वती बनाया, शिवानंद सरस्वती नाम दिया। He changed his name. Guru Vishwanand Saraswati changed his name Kuppu Swami to शिवानंद सरस्वती। और इन्होंने निशुल्क चिकित्सालय, फ्री मेडिकल, फ्री शुरू किया लक्ष्मण झूला में। ओके, लक्ष्मण झूला ऋषिकेश में निशुल्क चिकित्सालय, फ्री मेडिकल फैसिलिटी इन्होंने शुरू किया। और इन्होंने 1905 तंजावुर मेडिकल कॉलेज, he took the degree of that MBCM something was is a degree, medical degree. Then establishments, Divya Jeevan Sangh in Hindi, and in English it is called Divine Life Society. This is very important. At Rishikesh, 1936. Divya Jeevan Sangh, they will ask Divya Jeevan Sangh or Divine Life Society. Any one of these, both are same. He established it in Rishikesh in 1936. Then Yoga Vedanta Forest Academy. Yoga Vedant Forest Academy in 1948. Then All World Sadhu Federation. This is important. They have asked many times. All World Sadhu Federation in 19 February 1947. Okay.
All World
Sadhu Federation. All World Sadhu Federation in 19 February 1947. And Indian government started a postal ticket in the name of Swami Shivananda Ji Saraswati. In that postal ticket, there was a picture of that Swami Shivananda Saraswati Ji. In that is his birth anniversary. Okay, Shatabdi Varsh, 18 September 1986. भारत सरकार ने इनके जन्म शताब्दी वर्ष पर उनका एक पोस्टल टिकट शुरू किया। ओके, नहीं, उसके ऊपर स्वामी शिवानंद जी का चित्र था। Now more than 300 books he has written. The main books are Thought Power, Easy Path to God and Realization, Brahmacharya is Life and Sensuality is Death. This is important. Brahmacharya is life and sensuality is death. Yoga in daily life, Japa Yoga, Mind its mysterious control, and the Bhagavad Gita, Tantra Yoga, Nada Yoga, Yogasan, like this. Many books are there. These are important. And one more important thing you have to note down, the Ambrosia, one medical magazine he started. The name of that magazine was the Ambrosia. एम्ब्रोसिया, AMBROSIA, द एम्ब्रोसिया नामक चिकित्सा पत्रिका इन्होंने शुरू किया. देन मेन डिसाइपल्स, स्वामी सत्यानंद सरस्वती. Swami Satyananda Saraswati was his main disciple who started Bihar School of Yoga. Okay. Swami Chinmayananda, Chinmay Mission. Jyotirmayananda was the founder of Yoga Research Foundation. And Swami Santananda. These are main disciples. In that, Swami Satyananda Saraswati ji is main disciple, and he was the founder of Bihar School of Yoga. This much is about Swami Shivananda Saraswati ji. Then we will read about Yogiraj Shamacharan Lahiri Mahashay. Date of birth 30th September 1800.
Name, ma'am?
Yogi Shamacharan Lahiri Mahashay. Lahiri Mahashay. Shamacharan Lahiri Mahashay. Yogiraj Shamacharan Lahiri Mahashay. Date of birth 30th September 1828. Date of place of birth Bengal, Dharani namak gram village. Then date of death 26th September 1895. And name of his father Gore Mohan Lahiri. Gore Mohan Lahiri was father's name. Mukteshwari Devi was mother's name, and Kashimani Devi wife. Kashimani Devi wife's name. And Guru Mahavatar Babaji. His guru was Mahavatar Babaji. He gave him initiation of Kriya Yoga. The type of yoga he followed, Kriya Yoga. This is very, very important. You have to remember the main things, that the books and guru, name of guru, books, literature, that is, and establishments. Okay, these are very important things. The name of guru was Mahavatar Babaji. He gave him initiation of Kriya Yoga. क्रिया योग की दीक्षा दी उन्होंने. उसके बाद उन्होंने Bhupendranath Sanyal was his disciple, chief disciple. He translated Bhagavad Gita in Bengali. His disciple, whose mic is open, please. Bhupendranath Sanyal was his disciple. He translated Bhagavad Gita into Bengali bhasha, Bengali language. Then धन के प्रति इनको मोह नहीं था. Then the yoga followed by him: Kriya Yoga, Kriya Hatha Yoga, Kriya Kundalini Kunda Pranayam, Kriya Mantra Yoga, Kriya Bhakti Yoga. Kriya Hatha Yoga, Kriya Kunda Pranayam, Kriya Mantra Yoga, Kriya Bhakti Yoga. These are not important. Only important is Kriya Yoga. Okay, you have to remember. Then his main disciples were Yukteswar Giri, Keshavananda, and Pranavananda. Yukteswar Giri, Keshavananda, and Pranavananda. And one more important thing about Lahiri ji is when जब उनका फोटो खींचते थे ना लोग, वो फोटो में उनका पिक्चर नहीं आता था. This was his important about his life. Now, शिवानंद, स्वामी राम हिमालय। बचपन का नाम ब्रिज किशोर कुमार था। बचपन का नाम
Name, ma'am. Name.
ब्रिज किशोर कुमार। ब्रिज किशोर कुमार। Swami Ram. We are talking about Swami Ram, and he is also called Himalayan Yogi, or Swami Ram Himalaya also. He was known as Swami Ram of Himalaya or Himalayan Yogi, Swami Ram. And his childhood name or his first name was ब्रिज किशोर कुमार। और इनको एक टाइटल मिला था शंकराचार्य करके, इनको टाइटल मिला था, ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट है। ही वॉज अ वेरी एंगर one when he got that epithet or that title Shankaracharya. Okay, in very early age he got that epithet or title of Shankaracharya. This is important about him. Then date of birth 2nd July 1925. 2nd July 1925. In place was Toli Gadwal, Himalay, Uttarakhand. Toli Gadwal was the birthplace. It is in Himalay, Uttarakhand. And date of death 30th November 1996. 30th November 1996. And his guru was Bengali Baba. Bengali Baba was his guru and his guardian also. He had no parents. He lost his parents as in very early age. Then Bengali Baba took care of him and he became his guru also. He had one power that he could stop his heartbeats for 2 minutes. Okay, he could stop his heartbeats for 2 minutes, and he can वो उनके बॉडी टेम्परेचर में भी चेंज ला सकते थे कभी भी। ओके, कभी भी वो उनके हार्ट बीट स्टॉप कर सकते थे 2 मिनट्स के लिए। और उनके ब्रेन में जब उनके माइंड का टेस्ट किया तो एक समय वे अलग अलग तरंग अल्फा बीटा गैमा तरंग वो बना सकते थे। उनको वो पावर थी। ओके, and establishments Himalayan Institute of Yoga, Himalayan Institute of Yoga, then Science and Philosophy, Himalayan Institute of Yoga, Science and Philosophy. This is the name of institute. That institute. Okay, Himalayan Institute of Yoga, Science and Philosophy at Kanpur. And Hansada Ashram, Kathmandu. In Kathmandu, he established Hansada Ashram outside of Kathmandu. And in Rishikesh, Sadhana Mandir Trust. Sadhana Mandir Trust in Rishikesh. And his mottos are be happy and fearless. Be happy. One motto is there: be happy and fearless. Remember that you are the child of divinity. Loss and gain cannot even touch your shadow. Be happy and fearless. Remember that you are a child of divinity. Loss and gain cannot even touch your shadow. Now, main text, meditation and its practice. The art of joyful living. Happiness is your creation. Conscious Living, Literature on Yoga, Fearless Living, Royal Path, Living with Himalayan Masters. This book is very important. Living with Himalayan Masters. And his motto was love, serve, and remember. Love, serve, and remember. And another book was The Wisdom of Ancient Sages. This book is based on Manduk Upanishad. Manduk Upanishad. The name of that book was The Wisdom of Ancient Sages. This book is important. And there is Perennial Psychology of Bhagavad Gita. Perennial Psychology of Bhagavad Gita. Okay, now we'll come to Maharshi Raman. Name, childhood name Venkat Raman. And he had got the title of Bhagwan. और वो प्यार से कुंभकर्ण भी उनको कहते थे क्योंकि वो बहुत सोते थे, चाइल्डहुड में बहुत सोते रहते थे, इसलिए उनको कुंभकर्ण भी कहा जाता था. डेट ऑफ बर्थ 30 December 1879. 30 December 1879 at Tiruchali, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Tiruchali. Yes, any question? Date of death 40th April 1950 at Raman Ashram. रमण आश्रम में उनकी मृत्यु हुई, तमिलनाडु में ही. पिता का नाम, माइक किसका ओपन है? क्वेश्चन पूछना है क्या कुछ? अभी ये सब मैंने पढ़ा है, चार्ट भी बनाने के लिए कहा था, पीपीटीज भी भेजे हैं. एक बार लास्ट वो एग्जाम पॉइंट्स है ना, मेन पॉइंट्स, वो आप देख लीजिए बाद में एक बार, कुछ पॉइंट्स रह गए तो. पिता का नाम सुंदरम अय्यर, माता अलगम्मल. अलगम्मल, mother was Alagammal, father's name was Sundaram Iyer. योग आत्मनिरीक्षण विधि. योग आत्मनिरीक्षण विधि. He used to sit in front of the statue of Nataraj in Meenakshi Mandir for many hours. He was worshipper of Nataraj. And in 1896 में उनको 70th एज में उनको अनुभूति हुई, साक्षात्कार हुआ उनको 17th एज में. दर्शन और फिलॉसफी, अद्वैत वेदांत के समर्थक थे. ही फॉलोड अद्वैत वेदांता. Vedanta, they will ask, okay, which yogi you followed, which Vedanta? They will give one side, name of yogis, one side Vedantas, Advait Vedanta, Vaishnavism, etc. So you have to remember this. He followed Advait Vedanta and he established Raman Ashram at the place of his mother's, when his mother died. Then he established at that place only, he established Raman Ashram in Tamil Nadu. माता जी का देहांत हुआ, उसी जगह पर उन्होंने रमण आश्रम की स्थापना की तमिलनाडु में. Date of that establishment is 19th May 1922. इन्होंने संस्कृत, मलयालम, तेलुगु भाषा में रचनाएं की. He written his books in all three languages, Sanskrit, Malayalam and Telugu. And he was also known as incarnation of Dakshin Murti. दक्षिण मूर्ति का अवतार भी उन्हें कहा जाता था. This is also important. दक्षिण मूर्ति का अवतार and भगवान, these are the titles. दक्षिण मूर्ति का अवतार समझा जाता था. और he died in the पद्मासन. पद्मासन में उनकी मृत्यु हुई. जब योगा कर रहे थे पद्मासन में ही उनकी मृत्यु हुई. और लास्ट में उन्होंने ओंकार का उच्चार किया था. ओम शब्द का उच्चार किया था एट द टाइम ऑफ डेथ. एंड ध्येय वाक्य मोटो वाज अपने को जानो. नो योर सेल्फ. नो योर सेल्फ. And one English police officer was there, British police officer named Frank Humphreys. This name is important. Frank Humphreys. उन्होंने इनसे मेडिटेशन सीखा. आत्मनिरीक्षण विधि जो मेडिटेशन था इन्होंने सीखा. The name of that police officer was Frank Humphreys. And now books. Who am I? Name of books. Who am I? Self-Inquiry. Upadesh Sar. 5 Hymns of Arunachal. 5 Hymns of Arunachal. 40 years on reality. 40 years on reality. And he is also known as Sage of Arunachal. Okay. Maharshi Raman was also known as Sage of Arunachal. Okay. Anything came about Arunachal, it is related to Maharshi Raman.
Ma'am, is it 14 or 40?
Yes. Date. Okay, 1 minute.
40 years of reality or 14?
40 years on reality. 40. 40.
40.
Now his main disciples, Ganapati Muni was his main disciple. He was a Sanskrit scholar and poet. Ganapati Muni. And then Gudipati. Gudipati Venkatachalam. Gudipati Venkatachalam. Ganapati Muni and Gudipati Venkatachalam were his main disciples. Okay, this much is about Maharshi Raman. Here you have two main things are here, that Atmanirikshan Vidhi and the titles. 3 titles are there: Bhagavan and incarnation of Dakshin Murti, and also
Atmanirikshan Nidhi is a book, ma'am. Book.
yes, Atmanirikshan Vidhi is for yoga. Followed he meditation. That is a type of meditation. Know yourself. Knowing yourself. Okay. In English PPTs I have shared. No, you can read that. Okay. No, it is not with me. Know yourself. Knowing yourself. That is Atmanirikshan Vidhi. That is a type of meditation. He followed. Okay. Now about Maharshi Mahesh Yogi, we will read.
Ma'am, what you said, the type of meditation?
Atmanirikshan Vidhi. Atmanirikshan Vidhi. Knowing ourselves. Know yourself, know ourselves. That is, they will translate in English, but the name is Atmanirikshan Vidhi. Date of birth 12 January 1918. 12 January 1918. in Rajim. Name of place was Rajim city. Rajim. Sorry. Name of the place was Panduka. Panduka village near Rajim city in Chhattisgarh. Panduka. Name of village was Panduka. And death 5th February 2008. ग्लो ड्रॉप, नीदरलैंड के ग्लो ड्रॉप में उनका देहांत हुआ. मुख्य कार्यालय था उनका, ऑफिस था उसमें, उधर ग्लो ड्रॉप नीदरलैंड में उनका डेथ हुआ. पिता का नाम रामप्रसाद श्रीवास्तव, मदर का नाम पता नहीं, पिता का नाम है रामप्रसाद श्रीवास्तव. उनको अपने डेथ के बारे में पहले ही पता था, तो उन्होंने 2008 जनवरी में, पहले 1 मंथ पहले ही उन्होंने घोषित किया कि मेरा अंतिम समय आ गया है. He used to know about his death. He told 1 month earlier that he will die after 1 month. His guru was Brahmananda Saraswati. He told about the 7 steps of that consciousness. चेतना के 7 स्तर उन्होंने बताया. जागृत, स्वप्न, सुषुप्ति, तुरिया, तुरियातीत, भगवत चेतना and ब्रह्म चेतना. These are the 7 steps of consciousness. और चेतना के 7 स्तर, हिंदी में चेतना बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश में कॉन्शियसनेस. कॉन्शियसनेस के 7 स्टेप्स उन्होंने बताए. जागृत अवस्था, स्वप्न अवस्था, सुषुप्ति, तुरिया. एक 4 तो पता ही है आपको. ओके, जागृत, स्वप्न, सुषुप्ति और तुरिया. उसके आगे 3 अवस्था इन्होंने बताया, तुरियातीत, भगवत चेतना एंड ब्रह्म चेतना. 7 स्टेप्स इन्होंने बताए. Now type of yoga he followed or meditation, that is transcendental meditation. Very, very important. Transcendental meditation, it is also called bhavatit dhyan. Bhavatit dhyan. भावातीत ध्यान और ट्रांसेंडेंटल मेडिटेशन दोनों एक ही है. ओके, इन इंग्लिश में ट्रांसेंडेंटल मेडिटेशन बोलते हैं और हिंदी में भावातीत ध्यान. दे कैन आस्क any one of name this. They can ask in Hindi name or English. And in that mantra yoga and japa yoga is there. Mantra yoga and some mantra is given to chant. Okay, in that transcendental meditation. उन्होंने विश्व भ्रमण किया. He visited all over the world. Now darshan or philosophy, Advait Vedanta. Most of the yogis are from Advait Vedanta. Most of the yogis followed Advait Vedanta. Then in 1975, European Research University, Switzerland, 1 minute, he started a TV channel in Netherlands. Okay, that is Veda Vision. The name of that channel was Veda Vision, and it was sorry, 44 कंट्रीज में चलता था, अभी चल रहा होगा, और 22 लैंग्वेज में था वो. 44 कंट्रीज में और 22 लैंग्वेजेस में है वो वेदा विजन. एंड नेम ऑफ दैट टीवी चैनल वाज वेदा विजन. Now establishments. Movement Global Country of World Peace. Movement Global Country of World Peace. Sorry, 1 minute. Transcendental Meditation Movement Global Country of World Peace. TMMGCWP. This is a shortcut. You write this one. TMMGCWP. that is Transcendental Meditation Movement, Global Country of World Peace. This is important. Transcendental Meditation Movement, Global Country of World Peace. That is in short form TMMGCWP. And he also established Maharshi Vidya Mandir School, MVMS, Maharshi Vidya Mandir School in 1975 in 16 states. 16 states and more than 150 countries, 500 schools are there. More than 150 countries, 500 schools are there. The name of that school, Maharshi Vidya Mandir School, MVMS. And he established 4 main universities. 4 main universities he established. Then the names are not given. Okay. Now, one more important thing about Mahesh Yogi ji is in 2002, Ram Mudra. He started a Ram Mudra, that is currency. He started 1 Ram is equal to 10 euro. जैसे 1 रुपया 1 रुपये होता है ना, वैसे उन्होंने करेंसी शुरू किया. वो करेंसी का नाम था राम मुद्रा. राम मुद्रा. और 1 राम इज इक्वल टू 10 euro. 10 euro. 1 ram and 5 ram and 10 ram. He started 1 ram, 5 ram and 10 ram. You only remember this Ram Mudra. Okay, they will not ask all this. One is motto is जो आएगा वो जाएगा भी. जो आएगा वो जाएगा भी. This is not think, but for your, if they ask, you have to remember. जो आएगा वो जाएगा भी. ये इनका सिद्धांत था. He established Antarrashtriya Dhyan Society, International Meditation Society. He established International Meditation Society. Then books are 30 years around the world. 30 years around the world. The Science of Being Yoga. The Art of Living. 3 books are given here. 30 years around the world. The Science of Being Yoga. The Science of Being and the Art of Living. And he also started Students International Meditation Society. Students International Meditation Society. And one point you have to remember, Jadugar ka group, rock group of Beatles is related to Maharshi Mahesh Yogi. If they asked anything about rock group Beatles, it is, I think it is the group of his students. Jadugar ka group, rock group Beatles. In English, it is rock group Beatles. This is related to Maharshi Mahesh Yogi. This much is about Maharshi Mahesh Yogi. And now Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya. Now his names, other names are Srimad Gurudev, Vedamurti, Yoga Rushi and Guruji. Srimad Gurudev, Vedamurti, Yoga Rushi and Guruji. Death, birth 20th September 1911, उत्तर प्रदेश के अगस्त जनपद के आवलखेड़ा में इनका जन्म हुआ. उत्तर प्रदेश के आवलखेड़ा में. मृत्यु 2nd June 1990, that गायत्री जयंती, डे ऑफ गायत्री जयंती. गायत्री जयंती के दिन इनकी मृत्यु हुई. एंड इनके पिता थे पंडित रूप किशोर शर्मा, माता दान कुमारी बाई एंड पत्नी श्रीमती भगवती देवी। एंड गुरु थे इनके जो इनको यज्ञोपवीत संस्कार किया, मदन मोहन मालवीय। इनके फर्स्ट गुरु थे मदन मोहन मालवीय। नेम ऑफ गुरु मदन मोहन मालवीय। इन्होंने अखंड ज्योति नामक मासिक पत्रिका शुरू की। द नेम ऑफ मंथली मैगजीन he started is Akhanda Jyoti. Akhanda Jyoti is related to that Gayatri mantra. Okay. And Savita Dhyan. These all points are important about Pandit Ram Sharma Acharya ji. Okay. I will read. Savita Dhyan, Gayatri Jap, Gayatri mantra, Akhanda Jyoti, and Gayatri Sadhana, Akhil Vishwa Gayatri Parivar. Anything comes about that Gayatri, it is related to Sri Ram Sharma Acharya. Okay, this is the tip. All world Gayatri Parivar, Maha Gayatri, and 1 minute, I will read. Akhil Vishwa Gayatri Parivar, he is established. Akhil Vishwa Gayatri Parivar. And he did Sahasra Kundiya Gayatri Mahayagya. Sahasra, they will ask this one, okay? Sahasra Kundiya Gayatri Mahayagya in Mathura in 1958. Yuga Nirman Yojana. This is also related to Sri Ram Sharma Acharya. Shanti Kunj Haridwar. He performed that yajna into Shanti Kunj Haridwar. 1926 इन्होंने एक अखंड दीप प्रज्वलित किया था गायत्री माता के देवालय में। वो अभी भी शुरू है, वो अभी भी जल रहा है। गायत्री दीप, अखंड गायत्री दीप, अखंड दीप. This is if they ask about that deep, that what you call in English, this is related to Swami Sri Ram Sharma Acharya. Okay. Now yoga or meditation, that is Panchakoshiya Sadhana. Panchakoshiya Sadhana is related to Sri Ram Sharma Acharya. And another one is Pragya Yoga. You know about Pragya Yoga? Pragya Yoga is also related to Sri Ram Sharma Acharya ji. Pragya Yoga, Panchakoshiya Sadhana, Gayatri Mahajap, or Gayatri Akhanda Jyoti, these all are related to Swami Sri Ram Sharma Acharya ji. Sri Ram Sharma Acharya ji. Okay, this much is about Sri Ram Sharma Acharya, Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya ji. Swami Ram. Now we will go for Kabir Das. Saints. Sant Kabir Das. Kal, Bhakti Kal. Time is Bhakti Kal. Date of birth is not sure, but they gave that 1398 at Kashi, Uttar Pradesh. Kashi, Uttar Pradesh. Death 1598. Maghar, उत्तर प्रदेश. उत्तर प्रदेश में ही इनकी समाधि है. पिता नीरू नहीं, पिता नीमा. पिता का नाम था नीमा, माता नीरू, पत्नी लोई. Father's name was Nima, mother's name was Neeru, and his wife's name was Loi. He was uneducated, and his language was Braj Bhasha, and he also mixed 5 languages, that are Braj Bhasha, Khadi Boli, Rajasthani, Awadhi, Haryanvi. Like this, he mixed 5 languages in his dohas. So it is called Panchamail Khichdi. This is important. They will ask Panchamail Khichdi is related to, you have to write Kabir Das. In that, 5 languages are involved: Brajbhasha, Khadi Boli, Rajasthani, Awadhi, and Haryanvi. Guru Ramananda Ji Swami. Ramananda Ji इनके गुरु थे, and his son's name Kamal, and daughter Kamali. Son's name was Kamal, and daughter Kamali. Then his texts are dohas, in the form of dohas. Doha. वो राम के निर्गुण उपासक थे. राम के निर्गुण उपासक थे. He did not accepted that idol worship. निर्गुण उपासक थे. मूर्ति पूजा का खंडन किया. Okay, this much is about Kabir Das. Now Goswami Tulsidas. गोस्वामी तुलसीदास का चाइल्डहुड नेम था राम बोला, क्योंकि इन्होंने जब बर्थ हुआ इनका तो राम राम बोले थे, इसलिए इनका नाम राम बोला पड़ा. और he lived about 112 years. Date of birth 1511. Date of death is not given here. Date of place of birth Rajapura in Uttar Pradesh. And his father's name was Atmaram Dubey. Mother Hulsi Devi. Wife Ratnavali Devi. And his son was Tarak. Name of his son was Tarak. And his guru was Narahari Das. Narahari Das was also his guru and also his guardian. And he followed Vaishnav Vedanta, worshippers of Vishnu, Vaishnav Vedanta or Vaishnav Darshan. And इनको epithets जो मिले थे, titles जो मिले थे, he got the titles Goswami, Abhinav Valmiki, and रामचरितमानस विश्व के सर्वश्रेष्ठ काव्यों में 46th का स्थान. इनका टेक्स्ट जो है वो रामचरितमानस, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Ramcharitmanas, he written Ramcharitmanas, and it is the best of for world's best texts. The number of the text was 46th number. ये भी राम के उपासक थे लेकिन सगुण. He was idol worshipper of Sri Rama. And इनको 12वें महीने में जन्म हुआ इनका. He used to take birth from his mother's womb at the age of 12th month. Usually baby takes 9 months to come from mother's womb, but he took 12 months. And at the time of birth only he had 32 teeth. He got 32 teeth at the time of birth only. And he जब उनका बर्थ हुआ उसी टाइम वो राम राम बोलने लगे, इसलिए उनको राम बोले नाम से बोलने लगे. राम बोले उनका नाम पड़ा. और इनके मेन टेक्स्ट है रचना विनय पत्रिका, हनुमान चालीसा, रामचरितमानस के 7 कांड है, 7 कांड है इसमें. वो नाम पूछेंगे, वो 7 कांड्स का नाम वो पूछेंगे. पहला है बाल कांड, अयोध्या कांड, देन अरण्य कांड, किष्किंधा कांड, सुंदर कांड, लंका कांड, उत्तर कांड. If they ask Vinaya Patrika, then you have to write Goswami Tulsidas. Ramcharitmanas is the important text. Then Mahakavi Surdas. He was born blind. महाकवि सूरदास was born blind. वो जन्म से ही अंधे थे. उनको महाकवि उपाधि क्या थी, टाइटल उनको मिला था महाकवि. He has got title of Mahakavi. Date of birth 1478. Year is given here. The place is रुनकता. रुनकता आगरा मथुरा के मार्ग पर. The way on the Agra and Mathura. मृत्यु 1583 में मृत्यु हुई इनकी. पारसोली में. पारसोली द नेम ऑफ प्लेस. पारसोली. गुरु थे इनके गुरु वल्लभाचार्य. वल्लभाचार्य सूरदास के गुरु थे और एक कृष्ण भक्त थे. ही वॉज वर्शिपर ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा एंड ही वॉज बॉर्न ब्लाइंड. हिंदी साहित्य की रचना इन्होंने की और अकबर के दरबार में कीर्तन करते थे. अकबर के दरबार में ये कीर्तन करते थे. और इनके मेन टेक्स्ट है, बुक्स है सूरसागर ग्रंथ बोल सकते हैं इधर. सूरसागर, सूरसागर, साहित्य लहरी, नल दमयंती, ब्याहलो. सूरसागर, साहित्य लहरी, नल दमयंती, ब्याहलो. These are his books, granthas. Now Sri Yogi saints are here.
And book's name again repeated.
Yes, pardon?
Book's name.
No books. Sursagar, Surtaravali, Sursagar, Surtaravali, Sahitya Lahari, Naladamayanti, and Byahalo. Byahalo. It is related to marriage. Byahalo. Okay. Now, गोरक्षनाथ. नाथ संप्रदाय के स्थापक गुरु थे मत्स्येंद्रनाथ. गोरक्षनाथ जी के गुरु मत्स्येंद्रनाथ. नाथ संप्रदाय के प्रसिद्ध योगी, हठ योगी भी थे. डेट ऑफ ईयर ऑफ बर्थ दैट इज 11वीं से 12वीं शताब्दी तक हुआ है. और इनका ध्येय वाक्य नहीं, ग्रंथ थे हठ योग, योग चिंतामणि, गोरक्ष संहिता, गोरक्ष शतक, योग मार्तंड, योग बीज, योग महिम, ज्ञान सिद्धांत. इनके ग्रंथ थे. इनके प्रमुख शिष्य थे गहिनीनाथ, चरपटीनाथ. Gahininath and Charpatinath were his main disciples. Now, Swami, sorry, one yogi is Patanjali, about Patanjali. Okay. We'll read about Swami Satyananda Saraswati. He is not for your syllabus, but some main things are here which may come for your exam. So I have written here. Swami Satyananda Saraswati, date of birth 5th December, year 1923, death 5th December 2009, place Almora, Uttarakhand. And he got spiritual experience in his 6th year only. So, 6th छठे वर्ष में ही उनको आध्यात्मिक अनुभव होने लगे. और इनके गुरु थे शिवानंद सरस्वती. एज वी रेड अबाउट हिम, शिवानंद सरस्वती जी. शिवानंद सरस्वती वाज हिज गुरु. 12 सितंबर 1947 में सन्यास की दीक्षा ली. ऋषिकेश के गंगा नदी तट पर इनको सन्यास की दीक्षा मिली स्वामी शिवानंद सरस्वती जी से. और इनका योग का नाम है एकात्मक योग। एकात्मक योग, इनके एकात्मक योग के स्टेप्स कुंडलिनी योग, क्रिया योग, मंत्र योग, लय योग। They will not ask this one. Okay. He was the founder of Bihar School of Yoga. Bihar School of Yoga. He was the founder of Bihar School of Yoga, and also he was the founder of Yoga Nidra. This is very important. Yoga Nidra. In that, 8 steps are there: समावेशन, संकल्प, चेतना का आवर्तन, सांसों के प्रति जागरूकता, विपरीत संवेदनाओं का अनुभव, रचनात्मक दृश्य, संकल्प, बाह्यकरण. These are the steps of Yoga Nidra. You have read this one in your practical yoga also. Okay. Here main important thing is the founder of that Yoga Nidra is Swami Satyananda Saraswati ji, and he also established Bihar School of Yoga. And his disciple was Swami Nirajananda Saraswati. Okay, this much is about yogis. You can read about Maharshi Patanjali. I have shared that PPTs. Once you read that PPTs, the main exam points for exam I have given in last slide. You read that much also. Okay, and about books. Okay. Any questions? Hello, any questions?
गोरखनाथ का बस इतना ही रहेगा?
हाँ, उतना ही रहेगा उनका. यही पूछेंगे, वो ग्रंथ पूछेंगे, और मेन क्या है, स्टोरी है. वो पीपीटी में मैंने बहुत सारा बताया, लेकिन मेन पॉइंट्स इतने ही है. उनके ग्रंथ पूछेंगे, उनके गुरु का नाम पूछेंगे. ओके
ओके.
प्लीज chant last prayer, Omkar. Who will chant? Vijay ji, please chant Omkar. Best luck for your exams.
मैम मैं अभी नहीं कर सकता, वो किससे करा लीजिए.
ओके ओके. रसिका, वर्तिका, रसिका, कोई भी वन. ओके.
I will do.
Okay.
Everyone, sit straight, eyes closed, hands in Namaskar Mudra. Slowly inhale and exhale. Om Purnamadam Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly rub your palms. Blink your eyes open. Hari Om. Thank you, ma'am.
ओके. एक बार पीपीटीज पढ़िए. ओके, पीपीटीज मैंने शेयर किया है ना, वो पढ़िए सब. ऊपर का पढ़ना ये नहीं है. वो टेक्स्ट दिए है ना, उधर से पढ़िए. 3 स्लाइड्स लास्ट के मेन पॉइंट्स फॉर एग्जाम टेक्स्ट. ओके,
ठीक है मैम.
अभी कुछ पॉइंट्स बचे होंगे तो उधर से कवर हो जाएंगे. महर्षि पतंजलि का है, महर्षि पतंजलि का कॉमन है, इसलिए मैंने नहीं लिया आज. ओके. द नेम्स ऑफ पतंजलि इज इम्पोर्टेंट. Adi, Shesha, many names are there. You can read that from slides. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Best of luck for exam.
वो चार्ट आपने हमें बनाना था क्या कुछ तो बोल रहे थे.
कौन से?
शुरू में बोल रहे थे कुछ चार्ट बनाने को बोला था.
हाँ, वो मैंने बताया था. फर्स्ट क्लास था ना, मैंने क्लास सिर्फ 3 लोगों ने अटेंड किया उस टाइम. जिन्होंने क्लास अटेंड किया ना, उनको मैंने ऐसे चार्ट बनाने के लिए बोला था. मेरा चार्ट हिंदी में है और ऐसे ही बनाया गया है, लेकिन उन्होंने बनाया है अच्छा चार्ट इंग्लिश. आप
शेयर कर सकते हैं क्या मैम?
वो मेरे पास नहीं है अभी. आपके वो स्टूडेंट जिन्होंने बनाया
आपके पास जो है वो अभी.
हाँ, ये आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा, लेकिन मैं शेयर कर दूंगी. लेकिन वो बहुत पहले लिखा है मैंने, और हिंदी में मिक्स है ये सब. अभी पीपीटी शेयर करने में बहुत देर लगेगी, इसलिए मैंने चार्ट से पढ़ा. शेयर करूंगी मैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. लेकिन इतना ये नहीं है, समझ में नहीं आएगा।
ठीक है,
अगर आपको जरूरत है मैं करूंगी शेयर,
हाँ कर दीजिए।
लेकिन आप इससे अच्छा है ना आप पीपीटीज पढ़िए।
ठीक है,
हाँ, इंग्लिश मीडियम से है ना?
हाँ हिंदी भी आता है, कोई दिक्कत
हाँ ओके, आप स्लाइड्स पढ़िए। ओके, स्लाइड्स में बहुत अच्छी तरह से दिया है, क्लियर दिया है। ओके, ये समझ में नहीं आएगा।
ग्रुप में डाला है मैम ये स्लाइड आपने?
हाँ, ग्रुप में भेजवा है ना?
जी मैम।
वो आपके कौन भेजता है नोट्स आपको?
मैम ग्रुप में रवि सर भेजते हैं
हाँ,
जहाँ तक।
यस, रवि सर को भेजा है मैंने, सभी
जी।
स्लाइड्स पहले ही भेजा है। वो लास्ट 3 स्लाइड्स जो है ना आप पढ़िए, मेन पॉइंट्स फॉर एग्जाम, टेक्स्ट ऐसे दिया है, और मेन पॉइंट्स फॉर अबाउट इफ एनी मेन पॉइंट इज देयर अबाउट एनी योगी given in that slide. Okay, I have
ठीक
covered
है।
all points, but if remained anything then you can read from slide. Okay, all the best for your exams.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.